Look at those clouds. I'm going down to Huntlee Park Up. I'm currently in the race car, but the tow truck is going to be the weapon of choice today. But I've been telling everyone, yeah, nah, it's all good. I live near the meetup. No clouds, no nothing. It's blue sky. Guess what? I lied. Got him! Let's go get this tow truck. Oh, there's a little bit of blue sky right there. How cool's that? We've got Herbie. I'd say he's on his way to the meetup because it is literally just there on the grass. But I don't want to take this car, not this time. Maybe another day, but today I want to take something else. I want to take my tow truck. Because the tow truck, it just doesn't get driven enough. And you know what? Everyone's seen this a million times. Let's take something different.
A few moments later.
Here she is, the big girl, big old turbo monster. I really gotta sort that out too. My winch decided to stop working, and my buddy had, let's just say, broken down. And I needed to go rescue him, and the winch wouldn't work, so yeah, no good. Oh yeah, I forgot about this. Last time I jumped in the truck and snapped off of there. Anyway, truck key. Oh, beeping. And that is why I want to take this, so I can deliver all the sooty goodness to the car meet. Probably should have cleaned it first, but nah. Let's go.
Bye, Felicia.
So I'm going to tell you about this truck in just a second, but first I'm going to pull on the main road. Movement that I just did with my hand, that's shifted up into top gear. So this truck, it's a 1982 Ford Trader. I bought it 4.5 years ago, 5 years ago, thereabouts. And basically it was it's 5-speed on the floor, and then it's got a splitter, so technically it's a 10-speed. It's a high and low box. When I bought it, the splitter never worked. It was just shoved in high gear, and that was it. I blew the gearbox, I'm going to say 3 years ago, and so I put it into a shop, got the whole thing all redone. I have spent a tremendous amount of money on this truck.
I don't have any money, dude!
Okay.
I'm broke, man! My life sucks!
To get it to where it is now, I guess. And still got a tremendous amount of money to spend on it, I guess, because I'm an idiot.
Seriously, man, you're retarded sometimes.
But anyway, so yeah, I just wanted to bring this down to the meet. Just something different. Never seen a truck get taken to this meet, and I've been the last 4 or 5 of them. It's just, yeah, something different. I'm still getting messages about the weather, and I'm still saying that it's great. I'm lying. But no, I want people to come. So anyway, let's cut through to the meet. We're back at the roundabout. And there they are. There's a few people here already. few stairs in the old girl. Let's give them all some turbo noises, hey? Oh yeah, they love that.
Excellent.
Oh, I can see Craig. What's going on? Hey? So sooty.
How dare you?
Oh, is it too loud? No. Why'd you bring the rain with you? Maybe I brought the rain with me. Either way, Craig, it's raining.
Might have been Ocean.
Ocean's fault. But yeah, we parked all the way over here away from everybody else. Why'd we do that?
Just to be different.
To be different? I like it. Yeah, anyway, this is your weather forecast, man, and it's raining. So there's still some cars rolling in. What was that? We're hiding in the boot of Craig's Jeep. This is terrible. There is actually a fair few cars over there. I think everyone's hiding up on the thing there. A Mustang. Is he going to pull in though?
Maybe we could do a Coles car park meetup.
Oh yeah, that's an idea, except I won't fit. I could go and get the Mazda again, I suppose. This is a terrible idea.
It is what it is. It is what it is.
So it's hammering down, I'm drenched. I've made the decision, I'm gonna go and get the Mazda because it's got a heater. This thing doesn't. But still quite a few cars here. I'm gonna do a quick drive through and see if I can see them on the way out. Righto, so this bloke's brought his 86 down. Got a couple of Falcons and whatnot over here. We'll do a quick little circle. Yeah, that's quite nice. Couple of the regulars. This one over here, that belongs to Rob. He organised the meet. Tough 79, that's cool. And this thing, I don't have a clue what this thing is, but that's really cool. I really like that. Big American thing. Very cool, very cool. Alright, I'm gonna go and get me Mazda, and hopefully by the time I do that, this has stopped.
A few moments later.
Would you look at that? Still grey. Oh, but it's not raining anymore. That's all right. I'm gonna jump in this Mazda. I'm gonna go back over and hope that's the last of it. That should sum up the Mazda. Driven to work every day, gets raced, doesn't get vacuumed. She's just a workhorse, this one. Righto, let's try this again. Doesn't seem to be raining now. Oh, and there's heaps more cars. All right, I reckon we're good this time. Oh, you're alright, you can be in it. It's okay. Nice bum.
Thank you.
Gay. It's just dawned on me that I really don't know Rob well enough to be grabbing him on the bum like that. Oh well.
Right to jail.
Yeah, that's right. Yeah, that's where I live. That's not the same car, though. Oh, right, yeah. Yeah, no, probably not. I live in Mazda.
Skyline. When I was leaving in the tow truck, this veil was just pulling up. So this is the wagon, Scotty.
Yeah, James.
Dee-ha, look, Scotty's my biggest fan, he tells me. A lot of people are leaving, the wet weather's scaring them away. Rob's Beast. What the hell is wrong with us? We've all been standing out here in the rain talking. Heaps of people have left already. Oh yeah, that was Huntlee Park Up in the rain. Even got this cool sticker. You see how wet it is. I was holding it out of the rain. See, my phone's all wet. GoPro's all wet. I'm all wet. Yeah. Oh well, that's it. Until next time, peace out.
Peace out, rabbit!
So I've just come into Coles and something I forgot to mention. One, like, peace out. Who says that anymore? Like, what a terrible outro. I'm so sorry, guys. But I met a young fella. He's like 16. He was at the meetup. His YouTube, I'm going to put on here now. It's V10 Crazy with a K, all one word. And he was videoing like cars leaving or whatever. So yeah, go and have a look at his video, like whenever he gets it up, I guess. But yeah, he's doing a lot of local stuff as well. He's a young fella, so let's support him. But yeah, so better outro. Like, subscribe, comment, share, yada 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 yada. Way better than peace out. Let's go. Real outro. Boom.